Hey everybody, my name is Austin Childress. I am the Director of Education for Carabello Coffee here in Newport, Kentucky, and these videos are brought to you by Roasty. Today, I'm gonna talk to you about a mocha. Coffee and chocolate is a wonderful, beautiful thing. Lots of people's favorite things. And a mocha is just putting the two in the same cup. So for this, I've started out with a latte size is typically what a mocha comes in. And I've put about ½ an ounce of a chocolate syrup in the bottom. Whatever chocolate syrup you like is the one that should go in there. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna pull my shot of espresso directly into the mocha that is already in my cup. I'm gonna steam my milk for a latte. I'm gonna make it pretty hot. It's gonna be about 165 degrees. And I'm gonna mix up the two really well together and pour my milk into that espresso and chocolate mixture. And it'll just be really sweet, really delicious. It's a lot of people's favorite drink. I'm putting about 16.5 grams of coffee into my portafilter, and I'll be pulling about 40 grams out. When I steam my milk, I'm gonna look for those little sounds that sound like paper tearing. I'm gonna let those go, and then I'm just gonna incorporate those air bubbles that I'm allowing in, and then I'll turn it off when it feels uncomfortable to touch the pitcher on the outside. So I've used a spoon to stir the espresso and the chocolate syrup together really well. I've got my milk steamed over here. It should look kind of like wet, glossy paint in your pitcher when you know you've steamed it right. I'm gonna start and just pour into the middle of my mixture. Once it gets pretty close to full, I'm gonna dive right into there. I'm gonna fill it up to the top. And there you go. There's your mocha. Enjoy.